Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, One to Step. And in today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to react on messages that are on Slack. So let's get started. So people, it is a very simple process. Just slide into the DMs first. You can check out any channels that you like. So I'm just go directly starting from the DM. So I'm just DMing my friend. Hello. Okay. So if your friend replies, or you can also react to any of the stuffs that are present in your inbox. So if you want to DM, just click on the emoji that you like, or you can also select the emoji and replace it. So this way you can react to the DMs that are present in your inbox. I hope you guys liked today's tutorial video. If so, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. See you guys in the next video. Until then, peace.